Alright guys, welcome back to the Sculptness channel. Today we're going to be engraving on this 3.5mm thick steel with the WeCreat Vision Pro 45W laser. Now we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to do an Einstein quote. I'll show it up here on the screen here in a second, and then let's just get to it. Let's add text to this. Drag it up here because these are some big letters. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. Then we're going to drag this down to fit our 3.5mm inch thick steel. I have to fix this here. Fill, line, engrave, and then when you do that, it's going to pull up this screen here. You can choose from this to see what colors you want. And that's the cool thing about metals, is like aluminum and steel can pull out some really cool colors. So I'm going to choose the 158 because I think that would look best. It's going to put out 100% power, 158 millimeters per second. We'll do one pass and then a line density of 100. Start it and go from there. Okay, finished product here, guys. Now, look at that color. It was pretty dang close. Let's go back over to it. See if we can pull it up here. Let's see. Click on that. There. That's the color we picked. And obviously the screen is brighter and you got the black background of this, but I think that came out real cool. Tell me what you guys think. Like and subscribe. We'll keep posting videos every day of some random stuff we do.